The Cisco Business Mobile App version 1.7 has added the ability to tether your mobile app to a Cisco Business Dashboard (CBD 2.7) instance. This read-only view allows you to see the resources and information for all devices managed on the CBD network. You can monitor the network and the devices with site viewing alerts and status information, but you can't edit or change anything. To support CBD tethering, you need Cisco Business Dashboard configured and running version 2.7 or higher, the Cisco Business Mobile App running 1.7 or higher, name resolution to the instance, and network connectivity to the CBD deployment over HTTPS. If the CBD network is not accessible from the internet, the mobile app will need to connect to it, either wirelessly to the network hosting it or over a VPN. You may need your own DNS service, so name resolution can be supported. If the CBD instance is accessible from the internet and you are using anything other than port 443, you'll need the port numbers and the system variables defining the fully qualified domain name. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll explain the new option to connect the Cisco Business Mobile App version 1.7 to CBD version 2.7. Next. To start, open your Cisco Business Mobile App. Navigate to the bottom of the screen. Click the More button, and then Version Information. My app shows that I'm running 1.7, the latest available at the time of this filming. You need to update the app to at least this version before you proceed. If you want to view information about this new feature, select What's New. It briefly explains how tethering mode allows seamless monitoring of your CBD network directly from your mobile device, letting you keep an eye on your network health at any time, from anywhere. Once you have verified that your CBD network is configured, updated to the latest firmware, and connected to the internet through HTTPS, it is ready to be connected. Go to the app and click All Sites. Under the Local tab, you can view local networks on the app. I have one named Cisco Lab. Under the Cisco Business Dashboard tab, there are no sites connected. To add the CBD network, choose Add a Site. Then, select to add a Cisco Business Dashboard site. Give it a name and click Next. I'll name mine CBD Lab. For the app to have access to your Cisco Business Dashboard network, a unique access key needs to be generated under your user account. To get this key, click the QR code icon to open the scanner on the app. Log into your Cisco Business Dashboard web user interface. Locate and click the QR code icon. A unique QR code will be generated. Using the scanner on the app, capture that QR code. At the bottom of the phone screen, you can see there's a message that the app is awaiting approval. Not shown here, but on the Cisco Business Dashboard user interface, there are options to approve or deny. Click Approve and then Confirm. You will receive a success notification once the CBD network has been connected to the app. Great. Now you can use the app anytime to see an overview of your CBD network. For example, this CBD network contains 2 access points, a router, 3 switches, and 2 devices in the category of Others, one of which is my phone. If you click a section, it opens a new screen to show which specific ones are online. I'll click on Switches, then click on a specific one to see its details. This Cisco Catalyst 1300 switch shows a CPU utilization of 2% and an uptime of over 15 days. By clicking More, you can see the device name, model, serial number, MAC address, IP address, and software version. At the top of the screen, warning issues will be numbered and labeled as either minor or major. I'll click on this minor issue to investigate. It brings me to a list of notifications. Under the Pending tab, you can see recent activity. The latest notification states that on this network, an access point has a CPU health issue. The other notifications in this example announce devices that became reachable or online in the last 24 hours. As an option, you can click on these to move them over to the Acknowledged tab. You're all set. Even when you're on the go, you can monitor both your local and CBD networks with ease. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.